Hello, I'm Wayne Ozarzak with Mr. Handyman, and today we're going to be installing a Dreamline shower door, a modern shower door solution with a sleek, modern style. First, we'll check the walls and the shower base curb to be sure that they're level and make sure the sliding doors can accommodate any out-of-square issues. Next, we'll unpack the shower door and confirm that all components are in good condition and no parts are missing. We'll mount the sliding shower support bar in the proper position and use a drill bit that can cut through tile. You do not want to crack the shower tile using a standard bit. Next, we'll mount the bottom and side rails. Now you can carefully install the glass doors. For Dreamline brand doors, the glass is very thick and heavy, so 2 people may be required to install. Level the doors to meet the walls evenly and set the door stops. Next, you'll want to caulk where needed to ensure no water will leak onto the bathroom floor and cause any water damage. Your new Dreamline door will require professional installation in most cases. At Mr. Handyman, we are a certified installer of the Dreamline brand doors. They are a high-quality product with specific installation and adjustment needs, and they can be ordered through most home stores. If you need help installing a Dreamline brand shower door or have a much larger project planned, be sure to call us at Mr. Handyman, your one-stop shop for a wide range of home maintenance and repair solutions.